guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I want to hit it. Colisimudia. 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 Come out. See me. I put my picture here. I dey work. I dey sweat for my money. I dey sweat for my coins for Europe. You cannot be at home going to every shrine to come dey use people head for Europe. The betway you get this time around there, you no get part 2, you no get part 3. Now once we come for you, it's gonna be excellent. Even if we come Benin, we'll destroy that foundation. Personally, I can do it. In the spirit of Christmas, we people celebrate. Now your own exposition can come out. Your own exposition can come out. That you are so wicked, so demonic. You want money by all means. You're so gullible. Your transaction there for my phone. They control women. They control women. They command them. They dictate how they disperse their funds. Colisimudia, may the wrath of God hit you. Even they do something on this page, I go still beat you for you. I go beat you. No, nothing will save you from my hand. If need be, I go open on that page again. Colisimudia, you are the most suspect, the most wanted. You are the most wanted. Now, on this cyberspace, you just wake up. Contact people for Europe. Where would they suffer? Wake up in the cold, in the midst of this cold here. You know, if you fight your political idiotic leaders back home, you look at our people, but here, you take advantage over them. Colisimudia, you're beating more than you can chew. You're gonna go down. Anybody wait, he put anything for that foundation. Make all of them they run. Make all of them they run. That guy is evil. I cannot answer comment. Colisimudia. I dey for bed. I just give you sample. I sample you. When I wake up, I just got cold too much today. I just chill. Once I don't wake up, I'll come do broadcast. You go see my face. Everything about you now, we just do from now to the ending of 2023. You must go down. You must go down. Nobody must give you a dime. You are Prophet Grace. If I deal with you for one corner, I will deal with Prophet Grace. Prophet Disgrace for one corner. Evil prophetess. Evil people. Black souls. Dirty souls. Evil souls. Evil people. We go walk. We'll come to kind of try to make Africa great. Now we did there. They create evil. They carry people pictures. They go demonic temples. Demonic shrines. Woe betide you. If not because Facebook rules and policy, I don't know what because me I don't sabi speak any language apart from English. Seriously, I be full Sam, blood man, but I don't speak Sam fluently. I can only greet you, but die. Finish. I not get one language I speak apart from English. Maybe Italian, just to communicate to work. You just come. You just gather your momentum. You say you feel get away with it. You go die young. You don't go reach 40 years old. Colisimudia, if you pass what, maybe you reach 40 years, you don't go reach 45 years. You go die. You go buy young. You go buy young. For this way you put your hand. You go die young. You go die young. Hand go touch you. When I come on air later, I'll come play audios of women where you dupe. I'll come play audios. May the wrath of God kill you for Ekubai. Who are you? Who born you where for that Ekpobahi? Who born Emmanuel Agbogun for Ekpobahi? What would take Ekpobahi that year? Who be Emmanuel Agbogun and you? Who you be? Who you be for Ekpobahi? Because they create fraudulent foundation. You dey mad? I go erase you. I promise you say I go erase you for Ekpobahi. If you ask of Jujubri for Kunede, they go talk of Dr. Omo for Rama Park. Who you be, Kolisumudia, a fraudulent boy? I go chase you. I go smoke you. You know what Ajalo they use? What Ajalo they use back the breakfast for Western boys for Ekpobahi there? Where were you? You come on with fraudulent scheme. One called turn everywhere so that. Ask my friend Osao Kunedo in Belgium. He knows me perfectly well. You all schoolmate in the college. Who be all these children? This free fast where come from nowhere. All this wanna be by fire, by thunder. Nobody should give them any dime. Nobody should give them any dime. If you want to do foundation, go work. Go work. Go and work. Use your money to fund. Do charity. I did. I don't disburse almost 600,000. I got to do it for. I promise I'll give 1 million from my pocket. I'll give another 400,000 before Christmas. But this is just the fraud people that say they do foundation. Now use people to live better than you use people in abroad to live better than us in abroad. The day where I choose to lose faith in Emmanuel, now we know if it's tap or truth. Tinubu we don't old, where they blue blah blah blah, they gawk for every statement, where they support. Now say this will know your guesses. That's so Nigeria will take get her right. All of them just find what they will chop for one day. They don't mean well for us. All these people, the whole of them, the Emmanuel Agboguns, the Talak, whatever republic, all of them, that one a scam. A big scam. They don't try to bring a case from my table. Make her beat her, just say make her forgive her. Where he dupe some children's school fees. He duped some children's school fees. He use the money flex. Because they think say be humanitarian. All this one a scam. They be big scam. Very fucking big scam. Big scam. Name them. The Emmanuel Agboguns and all of them, they are all big scam. They go to different platforms, begin to think how to scam people. They go want to do birthday. They think for who go donate for them to do their birthday. No, they mad. Who be na maga? Who not to say they right at the move for head? Our people in Europe should wake up. In the sense that we love our country. Not for some people just take advantage. They scam easily. We love our country, not for scammers. One day our country, they good. What the leaders don't do the necessary things to make the country good. Some idiots just look at that avenue. They just come up with different scheme. Going to a group, how to wind people head, brainwash them. Donate for my birthday, donate for this, and they fight for a good cause, all of that now for their pocket. The day where I can't fear this APC people, all the Emmanuel Agboguns who have fought with them last 2-3 years. Hey, what I can say is they support Tinubu. They support Tinubu. Tinubu will don't finish. Tinubu that is not comprehensive to give a good broadcast. And so they want to live in our country. Now go there. They come for now later. I just do this one. I suffer for every kobo I get today. And nobody will scam me, take my 1 cent when it's not necessary. If I choose to give, humbly I will give it out. I will give it out to whom I choose to give it to. But this scam, where we say the average Nigerian, now scam, don't do their head. The average Nigerian is a scammer. The average Nigerian is a fucking big scammer. The civil services, everything, the banks, everything, scam. The scam, now be 99.9%. They use 1% to do their normal duties. Scam. What a wasted country. Everyone just be corrupt, rotten. Nobody stand for good ideology. Nobody stand for good principle. When they want better government, when I go to suffer, when I go there for the next 200 years without light. If people like Emmanuel Gbogun come and say they support Tinubu today because of party affiliance, party loyalty. I said no to party loyalty. We need better governance for this our country, not being loyal to one stupid party that has not provide anything for the country, for the common masses. Go drive, go Port Harcourt. This is light. This is this. Then you want to support Tinubu. Tinubu will just be gawking from one campaign to another. Gawking from... Now that one going to be our leader. At this dispensation. At this generation. What did they happen to now for Nigeria? I go say, oh God. We cannot just to expose many of them. I just choose not to talk. I just keep quiet. If I call Beto Lofuna for that APC stupid one a day for that Benin City, that's one stupid infrastructure stomach program one I get. We don't need APC, we don't need PDP. We need a change. We need a change. We don't need that. If anybody mean well for us, Tony Kabaka, retrace your step. Retrace your fucking step. Forget it. Forget say they destroy your house. We don't need APC. We don't need PDP. We don't need it. We could put our effort to change that country. That country get potential to get better. But the people mindset, not they original, cognitive enough to stand for a good fight. Because of money. Because of money, they will sell their conscience. Nobody thinks how country will take grow. In Europe here, there is corruption. Corruption there for Europe. But you need to show for the economy. Now let black man go just steal stupidly. He go steal the one way not go fish shop safe. He go steal and go hide them underground to make the country destroy. Who tell you say corruption is there for America? Corruption is in America, in Russia, all over the Western world. But not to this magnitude. The way black market they do it. They will work with some money and they will keep some. But black man will just thief all. Black man will thief 99.9% of all the money to better the life of their people. Because in Mudia, now you are come for. I don't want to go to politics. Now you are come for. You, I go beat you. Now you are going to beat every day. Every day. Every day I wake up, I will come back again to beat you. I just dey for bed since, just chill, they relax. Got cold too much. You're the house. I get free time. I'll come show camera to my face. I go beat you. Evil children. They can say they fit use their papa to do sacrifice. They can use their mother to do sacrifice. They will fuck their children. No moral values anymore. You come, hopefully the step for that Ikpobahi there. That's your house, eh? If I come Bini personally, I will tell you, say, now me come to town. You will know, say, now me come to town. That's your house. Where you use people money, fraudulently get. I will make sure, say, I will make a legal whatever against you. First, if you belong to color, they can't say this and this color, that color, no settlement. After that litigation, you do any here. Anybody that give you any money from Europe, That person it's a taboo to the land. A big taboo to the land. See your command, when you command people. They say now love, they show you love. Take people picture, they go river, they make it, maybe they give you money. Now love, may will be tied you 1 billion times. What a useless idiot from the pit of hell. That's what you are. Because it's Imudia. Even when John Osage they do, we'll never see this gravity of allegation against him. We'll still condemn him. But we can say they do small, we say we cheat. Say that workshop, we person for the work, and then they shop. But you can't do and say you walk all overdo am. Now I touch you this time. And your foundation go die. He must die. No matter what, he go die. Except that Mumu go give you money. You got to die. Nobody. Cake what you put for house. Those ones you put for there, just chop them. Put reserve. Now you go shop for eternity. Nobody again will be here to educate our women. That's never to give you 1 cent again. This is your worst Christmas. I'll be back for you. I will be seriously back for you. May I go shower. May I do one of the things. I just did bed since now. Say the reason no matter. The reason because it's Mudia, small boy. I can't get tapes. I can't get audio. Cause transfer. May will be tied you 1,000 billion times. 1,000 billion times. May will be tied you because it's Mudia. I'll be back for you.